Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping the spread. Blot the wet paint with paper towels, press, lift, repeat, do not rub. Once most surface moisture is gone, mix a small bucket of warm water and a few drops of dish soap. Make sure to test that solution on an out-of-sight carpet edge so color won't bleed. While the test sits for a minute, gently lift excess paint with a dull scraper. You are removing bulk before any solvent step, which saves fibers from further damage. Once bulk removal is complete, identify paint type. Latex responds to water and soap while oil-based needs mineral spirits. Dampen a white cloth with the appropriate solvent and blot the stain. Work from the outside edge inward to prevent rings. You want to lift pigment, not push it deeper, so press and lift repeatedly, rotating to clean areas of the cloth. As paint transfers, switch to fresh cloths and refresh solvent sparingly. This conserves carpet backing and avoids oversaturation that could spread the stain. You finish by rinsing the clean spot with plain water to remove soap or solvent residue. Blot until cloth shows no color. Then press dry towels into the area and run a fan or dehumidifier to speed drying. Avoid direct heat that can set remaining pigments. If a faint mark remains, try an enzyme carpet cleaner or repeat targeted solvent steps. If fibers change texture or color, stop and consult a professional cleaner to prevent permanent damage. One key tip: act gradually and observe results between attempts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.